Good evening. Today I'm going to keep this video very short and quick. I haven't been posting in a while just because I've been very busy. But anyway, let's jump right into it. Today we are looking at Tesla on the 1 minute chart, October 12th, 2023. And I just wanted to go over one little thing in this video. Let's zoom in right over here. As we can see, we are only trading one share. Now, why am I only trading one share? What can I do with one share? If I trade this entire day, and if I got into this position over here, held it, closed out, what am I gonna do with $5? That's about a $5 trade. As we can see over here, if we drag this down a little bit, if we drag this down over here, what are we gonna do with that? It's 547. Are we gonna buy a bottle of water, 2 bottles of water? Are we gonna go to the value menu? I can put about a gallon of gas into my car with that much, maybe two, or maybe 1.5. So I can't do anything with that. Why would anybody bother with the market if they're only making $5 a day? The reason why I am only trading one share and only making that amount is because I am focusing on the skill set of trading. You can trade as much as you want. You can trade 100 shares, 200 shares, 1,000 shares. But what matters is consistent profitability. And the way that you build consistent profitability is trading a very low volume over and over again until you develop the skill set, and then you can scale up. It's as simple as that. Therefore, you're not losing tens of thousands of dollars or thousands of dollars or even hundreds of dollars every day or every week or every month. Instead, you might be losing or gaining a couple of dollars, developing that skill set, and then scaling up. As we can see over here, the price crossed below our moving average, crossed below our indicator VWAP, went all the way down in a very easy to catch bearish trend. Not too many pullbacks. So for right over here, it could be a good exit point right over there, and then it goes into bouncing off of a support and resistance level over here, breaks through that level right here, but goes back down, and that's the end of the market. Okay, it's the end of the day for the market. So that being said, I'm gonna keep this video short like that. And yeah, I hope you have a great day. Remember, trade one share or a very small volume until you're consistently profitable, and then scale up.